Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER F75 Max. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. To connect EPOMAKER F75 Max to PC, you can use three methods. Firstly, you can simply connect it via this provided USB cable. Next, you can connect it via Bluetooth. In order to do it, switch it to Bluetooth, and now select Bluetooth pairing mode. In the end, you can connect it via 2.4G. In order to do it, switch to 2.4G and now connect the dongle to the PC. And it's done. Your keyboard is connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.